afternoon. It is the Modern Fowler Scrum. It is Sam and Praveen. It's a Monday. Let's start with Praveen. Hey, Praveen, how are things going with you?
So I have looked into the links you provided me. So it seems to be an issue with the OpKit client, I think.
Okay, so I'll just stop you there. So your first sentence was you've looked into the links provided with me. So it's a great thing. Why don't we? Forgive me for giving you feedback. It's a bit rude of me. But let's always start with the content. Like I know the challenge because you're coming to Agile Ventures and you know exactly what you're working on. But I'm working on lots of other things. So let's start by saying the project name, and then what the issue is, and then the next thing. So which project are you thinking about?
So I've been working on website 1.
Website 1, great. And so which ticket are we thinking about?
Ticket. I don't remember the ticket number, but it's related to the array task being run to fetch GitHub commits and GitHub activities.
It's related to the GitHub
every project.
Great. Yes. Okay. Go on. Yep. So yes.
For empty project repositories, it got stuck somewhere.
Yes.
So you provided me with some links. I've looked into those, and I think the issue is related to OpKit client.
You think you say it's related to the OctoKit. So my apologies. Also, your audio is kind of calculated, but it's kind of popping. So I'm kind of hearing like. You're saying the OctoKit client. You think it's related to? Yes. Right. Okay. And I think this is the ticket, and these are the links. And yes, it doesn't seem like it certainly seems like the OctoKit client is hanging. What made you think that the OctoKit client is hanging?
So the scheduler is running totally fine, but we seem to be calling OctoKit client for fetching GitHub activities.
Yes.
So for every project, so I think this is the issue. I'll look into it more closely. I'll check and update you on the same. Great.
Sounds good. And anything else to report? Anything else blocking you?
No.
Just thinking about this, it makes me wonder if there is some existing issue on GitHub. But yes, I'm searching maybe there, or just I find GitHub support, the email, just support@github.com. They're really responsive, amazingly so for an organization that presumably is supporting so many people. Do feel free to email support@github.com explaining the issue and CC me, and that's another way to go. Yeah. Good stuff.
I also don't have your email ID for that.
You don't have my email address?
Yes.
Sam at AgileVentures.com. I will put those in your freemium channel. Yeah, I'll put the 2 emails there. Great. Okay. Good stuff. So then on to me. That's 2 emails to you there. Let me turn the screen share off. Yes, so what have I been doing? I started this morning of fixing some email issues across Agile Ventures. That seems to be basically under control. There was something else I've now forgotten. I guess I'll have to move on. I've been, basically, it's been paperwork, mainly this morning. Although I have been making some progress on DRE and getting local support installed there, actually, and pushing out the latest local support stuff to production. I should probably do the same with website 1. And I've just been finishing up. I think I'm finally actually making some good progress on this private, paid project on Electron. It's an Electron application. So that's kind of like, whew. So yes. Reasonable progress this morning, actually. Not too blocked. I'm just actually having the luxury of doing some refactoring of some of this JavaScript stuff. I must say that the standard JS framework that basically formats all your JavaScript according to a particular standard format is lovely. Really liking that. But still, acceptance tests involving JavaScript. That's not good in Electron, and we're getting still getting a lot of intermittent failures on local support and website 1. So that's not good. But yeah, we've got the marketing meeting coming up in 50 minutes. We've got, it's a Monday. I've posted the set of things that are happening into the general channel, and I've already forgotten what they are. We've got the Kenbeck Scrum, the usual Wiki EDU SHF sprint review. I'm proposing moving the AV community meeting to a Friday, the Autograders meeting to a Thursday, and I'll be having a check-in with Armando about the course, the next run of the MOOC, which I'm also pushing back by a month in order to try and get a new run of the AV 102 TA training course in for my sins. And that's about it from me. Sorry, Praveen, were you going to say something?
So I was asking if you could just change the time for AV community talk.
Well,
can you make it sooner, a little bit sooner?
You mean, so, well, I guess what is Friday is a good day for you, is it?
Friday is a good day, but the timing is
a bit late. Yes, it's a difficult thing there because partly it's been at that time because it's to get people in the US on the lunchtime. But yeah, why don't you go into the AV community channel and you could like say some times that you preferred, and we could have a discussion. Sometimes we can get the US people a bit earlier, but so yeah, are you in the AV community talk channel?
Yes.
Good show. Yeah, well, no, let's have a discussion there. Like a little earlier. Cool. All right. Well, I think that's our Scrum. Short and sweet, just you and me. Yeah, good stuff. Anything else on your mind?
No, thank you.
All right, good stuff. All right, bye for now. Take care, Praveen.
Bye-bye.